Hey guys, this is Layla Malgosa doing Nicholas Copernicus, Mission Report 1, Advancements in Astronomy. So this is him. This is a portrait of him. Alright, so Nicholas Copernicus was born on February 19th, 1473 in Toron, Poland. He was the youngest of 4 children. His future career was going to be a church canon. And this is a monument of him in Warsaw. This is a close-up of himself. So he later died at the age of 70 on May 21st, 1543 in Frombork, Poland. The cause of death was a stroke. Nicholas Copernicus proposed a model of the solar system that involved the Earth revolving around the Sun. It wasn't completely accurate, but it eventually changed the way many scientists viewed the solar system. So as you can see, this is the Sun, and these are all the planets. It's missing Uranus and Neptune. They're all lined up, and then these are like the stars. So, woo! Let's go back. This is a little short clip of how the motion of Earth is rotating around the Sun along with Mars. So his theory was that the Sun is at rest near the center of the universe, and that the Earth spins on its axis once daily. And it revolves annually around the Sun, which is called a heliocentric or sun-centered system. Alright, so this is Earth. This is the motion, and I believe this is Mars. And so it's just showing you like how the motion is rotating. So in 1514, Copernicus distributed a handwritten book to his friends that gave out his view of the universe. He proposed that the Earth was not the center of the universe, and that the Earth rotation accounted for the rise and setting of the Sun. This is the book, and this is the Sun, showing you like how the planets aligned. And this is my reference.